Hey, what's up you guys? Sarah Hall here, the Wealthy Optimist, and I need to share a story with you. I want to clear something up first of all, that life was never a walk in the park for me. It was a constant struggle with highs and lows, uncertainty, unhappiness, all spiked with moments of I've got this before it fell apart again. And then I heard something that made me think. It was the saying, nothing changes unless you make it change. And 2 years ago, I decided to live that way. And I decided that I had to make a change. Otherwise, I was going to go insane from the amount of unhappiness I had and unfulfillment in my current life. I was so tired of living with the ups and downs and the uncertainty. I needed to make a change. I wanted the financial freedom to be able to quit a job that didn't make me feel happy. I wanted to be able to look in my bank account and not feel the urge to throw up or run away or cry when I saw the amount of debt that I had. I wanted to be able to move if I wanted to and to spend more time with the people I love. Those are pretty basic things, right? But do you know how many of us aren't able to do those things? Newsflash, the majority of us aren't able to do those things. And then a gift fell into my lap when a friend reached out to me about something that she started that created that opportunity and change in her life. And I decided that it was something I could do. It was the gift of the 21st century. It was the possibility of creating residual income from home, from my cell phone, from anywhere in the world. And that was something I could get behind because I'm literally on my phone all the time and I might as well be getting paid for it. You know what I'm saying? Since partnering with this global company, I've been able to pay off $25,000 worth of debt. That's a big deal. I was able to get $10,000 worth of dental surgery that I would never have been able to afford without this income. I was able to pay off a BMW in full within the first year of buying it. And I was able to move to Europe and travel the world, all while getting paid from my phone. I think it's safe to say that my life has improved dramatically. I've done a 180 with my life. And I'm not saying this stuff to brag to you. I'm saying it to show you what's possible if you have that desire to change. In fact, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm actually in my pajamas right now. And I actually just got paid without having left the house yet. Show me somebody who has a quote unquote real job where they're able to wear whatever they want, show up whenever they want, and get paid while they're sleeping without getting fired. I hate to break it to you, but we gotta face the facts. It just does not exist outside of this profession. It doesn't exist. The coolest part about this profession is that literally anybody with a cell phone and a desire for change can do this. They can use this vessel to create that financial freedom for themselves, and I can show you how. So if you're ready to see what the world looks like when you're actually able to enjoy it, then send me a private message or comment on this video, and I am going to reach out to you and we can chat and see if this is an opportunity that would work for you. There's nothing I love more than helping people see the vision that they can have for their life and create that kind of financial security that comes from getting paid every single Monday from residual income from your phone. It blows my mind every single Monday when I wake up and I have a paycheck. I hope that I get to talk to you soon. Ciao!